Hi friends, I am Rajesh Bhosle, architect entrepreneur of Interior. Today I am here in front of you to explain a very important and central aspect of interiors, that is estimation. Few people call it budgeting, BOQs, that is bill of quantities, etc. I am here to explain you how Interior derived an estimate module for of three different variants, namely budgeted, optimum and luxurious. We found out the need of these three variants because of different requirement from different clients, their different preferences, budget wise, aesthetically and other things. Now, what is the basic difference between these three? In budgeted, we go after function as the main aspect and aesthetic sits back. In optimum and luxurious, we cater both equally, that is function as well as the aesthetics. Moreover, each estimate, budgeted, optimum, luxurious, comes with their timeline of warranties. Mind you, hardware in all three are replaceable with replaceable warranties within stipulated timeline. All these three estimates, you do interiors in any of these three estimates, we make sure that we make your house or office look aesthetically very pleasant. Now I would like to take an opportunity to explain the difference between budgeted and luxurious and optimum. We do not encourage false ceiling for budgeted estimate people, because with false ceiling you increase the cost of ceiling. Moreover, false ceiling is an aesthetical aspect of more of an aesthetical thing rather than the functional aspect of that. Moreover, electrification increases tremendously with false ceiling, and you need to paint it. When you do false ceiling, you need to paint that premises for sure. So we avoid false ceiling for budgeted estimate. We take false ceiling for luxurious as well as optimum estimate. The difference between the false ceiling in between both of them is, in luxurious we add few new finishes such as CNC, PVC paneling inlays and etc., or double sheet ceilings which look more contemporary. These all aspects are added in luxurious. This was about false ceiling. In budgeted, the basic difference is, in furniture section we use particle board, but our particle board is of very reputed companies such as Prism, Asian, Action Tesla, etc. We make furnitures in particle board or MDF as per client's preference. This is all side laminated with edge bended furniture, which gives a very contemporary look. I would request young budding entrepreneurs or young office owners to go for budgeted offices, especially who are taking rental offices, because we give very competitive price. Means you make an office in ply which is worth 10 lakhs, we can reduce that office cost to 2.5 lakhs to 3 lakhs in budgeted estimate, and that would give a very contemporary look as well. Now let's go for residential thing. In residential as well, in budgeted, the budget gets down to approximately 25 to 30% in budgeted. Now coming back to furniture, as I told you, in budgeted we are taking particle board, but in this luxurious and optimum we go for the core material is BWR. BWR is boiling water resistant ply, which is moisture resistant, which is water resistant, and which is calibrated with even thickness. In slang language you say garjan ka ply hota hai wo, all side laminated. Now you would ask, what is the difference then between luxurious and optimum? So the difference between luxurious and optimum is, in optimum you get good quality, top quality laminate finish, both side laminate, even edge to be laminated or edge bended. In luxurious you get external side, that is the finishing material, to be very innovative, such as back painted glass, sandwich glass, tinted glass, mirrors, you get back painted acrylics, veneers, PU finish. These all different kinds of finishes come in luxurious interiors with furniture. Moreover, this was the core material difference. We have difference in hardware as well. In budgeted, we use Indian fittings, hardwares which are used in general modular furnitures. In Optimum, we use Indian hardwares such as IPCO, Godrej, CNR for channels, hardwares, hinges, etc. Even in tandem drawers. In luxurious, we use all imported hardware fittings such as Hafele, Heritage and other imported companies or German companies. But the warranty for the hardware in Optimum and luxurious is same. We approximately give you 7 years replacement warranty for hardwares in both these estimates. If you want to do a durable interior with a complete aesthetic, complete package, and you want it to do for a longer time period such as more than 10 years or 15 years, you should go for luxurious or Optimum. Now this was the difference between the furniture and your false ceiling aspect. We in color department, what we do is we use Tractor emulsion for budgeted. We use Royal luster color or Royal water based color in Optimum, and antimicrobial bacterial paint, stain resistant paint, that is Asperia Royal for the premium, that is luxurious estimate. In electrification, we do not compromise with quality. As I told you, for all these three, we use polycap wires. We use GM switches for both budgeted as well as Optimum. In luxurious, we give you Legard or other colored switches. Light fixtures are of reputed and branded ISI mark companies. Hope you are able to select your interiors according to your requirement, need and likings, and interacting with our design experts. Thank you. Let's meet next time in other video. I would request everyone to subscribe our channel of Interior so that you can get regular updates about interiors and how the new trends in interiors are going. So do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.